Hello, I'm going to tell you about some of the highlights of North America's largest show on emerging technologies, the IDTechEx show. This event brings together some of the hottest technologies around the world, culminating in a show with over 200 exhibitors, about 220 speakers, and 3,000 attendees, and it's being held at the Santa Clara Convention Center on November 16th and 17th, 2016. This event is fairly unique because it brings together 8 key technology areas. That includes energy storage, sensors, energy harvesting, 3D printing, print electronics, and graphene, where we explore the whole value chains of these emerging technologies, from the material providers through to those involved in manufacturing and those making components. And each of these are interrelated because they can be used in many different applications, including wearable technology, electric vehicles, IoT, and much more. And so by bringing all these different topics together in the same show under one roof, companies who are attending can see the complete supply chains of these different sectors. They can meet customers, can meet suppliers, and see what's on the roadmap going forward. We have over 200 exhibitors at the event. The platinum sponsor this year is Novacentrix, with gold sponsors being Agfa, Bebop Sensors, Lina Technology, and Xenon. The exhibition list is really quite diverse. We have companies who do everything from making materials all the way through to those supplying equipment, to those making all the different types of components available, from flexible displays to batteries for electric vehicles, to those who then do the integration of these and then provide the complete product. This is the floor plan, and there's huge amounts going on. New this year, we also have features such as Launchpad, where we have some really exciting startup companies showing their product for the first time. We also have Demonstration Street. This is an area where you can see these different products in action. Many of these we've collected from around the world. And in addition, in Manufacturing Street, you could see how these different technologies are being made, with companies bringing in significant equipment, which they'll be running during the show, and you can ask the experts on hand as to how they get it done. The IDTechEx Launchpad initiative was really set up because we're aware that there's so many companies with exciting technologies which are just setting up now, and they're also spinning out from universities. In order to give these the world stage, in order for them to succeed and meet with partners, we've run this competition which had over 50 entries, and from those we selected these 18 winning companies, each of which will be showing their latest products at the event. Many of them will be showing their new products for the very first time at this show. And last but not least, we've got a stunning program with over 200 speakers. And starting it all off in the cornerstone presentations, we have from Google, Heidi Dosa, and Google will be presenting on their work with data analytics to provide better healthcare based on wearable technology. John Snow is coming from Unilever. Unilever, one of the world's largest consumer packaged goods company in the world, and he'll be talking about their challenges and how emerging technologies can help them sell more product and add more value to consumers. From Intel, we have Dr. Bowmilk, and Dr. Bowmilk will be covering the latest progress with 3D imaging, including its use on everything from autonomous vehicles, drones, but also to enable things like 3D printing by scanning images and then having them printed out. And then we have the Nuon Solar team, and as an exclusive to the show, they'll be showing the Nuna racing car. This is a vehicle which has structural photovoltaics over the skin of the car, and as a result, it's completely powered by the solar cell. It's won competitions in Australia and in the US, and they'll be bringing this vehicle to the event so you can see it in action. These cornerstone presentations are then followed by 8 parallel conference tracks covering all the topics, as you can see here, from 3D printing through to wearable technology and everything in between, whereby you will hear from hundreds of speakers giving the latest insights, and also from big brands talking about what they need from these technologies. So make sure you don't miss out. The event is coming up soon on November 16th and 17th.